Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't access shared folder because of the organization's security policies, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, you need to create a key named Landman Workstation. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open the Registry Editor window. Go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft Windows. Okay, and now you need to create a key named Landman Workstation. Right click on Windows, select New Key and name it Landman Workstation. Now we will create a DO32-bit entry named Allow Insecure Guest Authentication. Right click in the open space, new DO32-bit value and name it this one. Double click on this, change the value data to 1 and hit OK. Now you need to restart the system and this error will be resolved because there was a certain policy preventing it and this policy has been changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.